I got this antique laundry rack, towel rack, can be used for anything like that, from eBay, and it's pretty rusty and too rusty to want to hang anything wet on. I don't want rust on it, so that needs to be painted or de-rusted. So I got some powerful magnets to hold it down. Just using my Dremel to remove the rust rather than any chemical or de-rusting kind of paint. Now that the rust is removed, I'm using a hammered lacquer kind of paint. It's silver and it has a rust stop ingredient in it. This is paintbrush cleaner. It's mineral spirits. I just have it on hand in case I make a mistake or I need to clean the brush. You only need it with oil-based paints. The water-based paints, like the acrylics, only need soap and water for cleanup. I painted the entire thing and put Q-tips between to keep the paint from sticking. This is acrylic black, and it is an anti-rust, but I'm gonna mix it with some of the silver. But one is the silver is oil-based, and the black is water-based, and that was a mistake. I really should go back and use the same type, black oil base. But I wanted to give it some variation in color, and I didn't want it to be the jet black color. I wanted it to be kind of faded looking. I like how this looks like an angel skirt, and there's angel wings that I hang it from. I just wanted to accentuate it a little bit. Finished painting. Now I feel safe hanging something to dry on there.